In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use System Restore here in Windows 11. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if something has gone wrong on your PC and you want to restore Windows to an earlier point, here's how you can do it. Again, by clicking search down in the very bottom. And what you're going to want to go ahead and do is type in run, just like so. And it's going to bring up the run menu, which will look like this. In this section, though, you're going to want to type in RSTUI and then .exe and hit enter to run this. And this will open up your System Restore window. Once it does open, go ahead and hit next and you'll see a list of all of your available restore points with the date and time that they were created. Yours might look a little bit different from mine. Essentially, find whatever restore point you want to use, click next again, and then if you are sure, click finish to restart the System Restore process. Just keep in mind anything installed or changed after the restore point may be removed. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. That is how you can use System Restore here in Windows 11. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.